So this is Pete Horton. I'm with Wattstopper, and I'm demonstrating a prototype of a DC lighting control system using Wattstopper digital lighting management combined with Luxera DC LED drivers in a prototype of an integrated control system. I have on the left and right, I have some focal point LED troughers, and then on the table I have some MR16 and some other LED incandescent replacement lamps. I also have a watt meter from What's Up that's looking at the total connected load of the system. So today, or right now, we're seeing the steady consumption, energy consumption of 1.7 watts. That's for the whole control system. On the back of this, we have the wiring that shows a single hot coming into the circuit. So everything on this table is running through the watt meter. What I want to demonstrate is the smooth, linear, ultra-low dimming capability using DC power to the LEDs straight from the control system. This prototype is a DLM room controller. This is a 2-relay 0 to 10 volt output. The Luxera DC or AC to DC inverter, and then inside the trougher and in each one of these lamps, we've removed the LED drivers and we've put in and here's an example of a little DC to DC chip that would be either in the light fixture, the trougher, or can be externally field mounted. And then each one of these MR16s has one of these installed on a custom basis from the lamp supplier. So let's turn on the fluorescent replacements, and I can do that very easily just by double clicking on the switch. You'll notice a slight delay in the AC inverter. That's just because of the prototype setup we have. That would be eliminated in a commercial product. And got nice brightness out of the fixtures, and we're now consuming 95 watts of energy. And what I'd like to show is the linear or the logarithmic dimming here as we're coming down, starting to bring that. Let's see. Hopefully you can see that light fixture. Start to see the light levels come down. Oh, too far. Let's try that again. Trying to come down to low end trim, or low end of the dimming. Very low, less than 1% dimming output. And we're seeing the wattage now come down for both fixtures and the control system. We'll come back to that as it's continuing to drop down. Under 5 watts control system, and 2 troughers at the ultra low level. Let's try to ramp them up slowly. So one of the things that's really attractive about this is that our efficiency levels at this low end is about 20% more efficient than a fluorescent lamp at these levels, and is still significantly more efficient than conventional LEDs using phase control dimmers. Okay. I will turn that off, and now we'll go to our MR16s. Again, full brightness, slight delay. See, we've got 7 lamps on the table, and we're up at 81 watts. dim down. Let's see, let's get to this one. You'll see the dimming. That's low end all the way to the bottom. Let's take a look at the MR16s. No flicker. And we're down at 6 watts. Again, 2 for the control system. So we're down to 4 watts out of 7 lamps. So about a half a watt apiece. So all in all, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 different lamp sources, all being controlled off of Wattstopper DLM and the Luxera AC to DC converter. Remember, the plan is that this will all be in a single enclosure, multiple channels in each one of these. In this case, we have 237 volt channels for the inverter. And let's go back up to full on both of them, and then we'll ramp down to minimal again. $173 watts. That would be a pretty large room. Now we've got them all at low end. And now for 9 fixtures plus the control system. 9 watt. And what I should do is turn off all the lights in here. So you can see the flicker-free operation at ultra-low dimming levels. Okay, again, this is Pete Horton with Wattstopper, showing DC dimming of LEDs.